Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a buy limit on MT5 using your mobile phone. First, open the MetaTrader 5 MT5 app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store or Play Store, download MT5, open the app and log in to your broker account. Once logged in, you'll be on the quotes page. From here, select the symbol you want to trade. For example, let's set a buy limit on GBP USD. Tap on GBP USD and then select Chart to open the price chart. Next, identify the exact price level where you want to place your buy limit. You can use a horizontal line to mark the entry price. After placing the line, open its settings and copy the exact price so you can enter it accurately. Now, tap on Trade at the bottom, then click the plus icon in the top right corner. This will open the order window. First, make sure the instrument is set to GBP USD. Then, change the order type from Market Execution to Buy Limit. Paste the copied price level into the price field. After that, set your lot size. For example, you can enter 0.2 lots. If you want, you can also set your stop loss and take profit by entering the desired values. Once everything is set, tap Place to confirm the order. Your buy limit order is now active and waiting for the price to reach that level. If you return to the chart, you'll see the buy limit placed at the selected price, waiting to be triggered. And that's it. That's how you can set a buy limit on MT5 using your mobile phone.